This 2024 K-Z Sportsmen 362BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 40 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleep's 10 TV, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, smoke detector, oven, awning, LP detector, air conditioning, slide-out, microwave, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 K-Z Sportsmen 362BH is 8,400 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.